Hello there, how you doing? I've been sent a couple of hammocks to try out. Now they're not camping hammocks, they're leisure hammocks. But I've come out into some woodland just to set these up. It's a nice sunny day and they're quite colourful, so they should look quite good. Now these are them here. One's a single, which is this one, which I've got out of the box. And that one is the double, which is still in the box. And they're by Signstek. Signstek. So let's get it out and have a look at it. There's a couple of tree straps and some carabiners in there, and then you've got the very colourful hammock. So let's get it set up. Right, so I've got this first one set up. Wasn't quite sure, there's no instructions in the box as to how to use these straps. I'm more familiar with tree straps that have loops on and that you can adjust accordingly. So what I've done is I've clipped that on there just in case that got too firmly knotted on there, so that at least I can quickly release that if needs be. Not quite sure how you do that on a different setting, but I've fed the cord through there. As you can see, it's a nice material. Bit of dirt, that's from my shoes. Nice thick cotton. It's all nicely knotted and so on. Done the same thing on that side. Yeah, nice bright colours, aren't there? What do you think? Plenty of space in them. It is a nice comfy leisure hammock. Quite like that. So you got, I mean, there's a lot of space in there, isn't there? That's a big cup. Right, I've got it set up. I've made a bit of a mistake. The first one I showed you, that's the double. That's why it was so spacious. This is the single. I've just checked the measurements on this for the box, and it says here 190 by 150. The other one was clearly a lot bigger than that. Yeah, so that the first one I showed you, that was the double. This is the single. Now the single, I haven't used what that came with. That comes with rope, and for those of you that are aware, you shouldn't really use rope with a hammock on a tree because it can actually scuff the bark and damage the tree. So I've left the straps on from the double just for the purposes of this demonstration. So as you can see, yeah, nice little cup in it, but it is smaller. It's a little bit shorter in length and a little bit narrower. So I weigh about 12 stone and that's easily taken my weight, that single. So yeah, actually I'm a little bit conservative there, closer to 13 stone. So yeah, quite like these, very nice, well made, very strong. As you've seen, they've taken my weight. Nicely corded, and they look nice in the sun, don't they? Yeah, very good. So just to clarify, this larger one is the double and this smaller one that you can see me lying in is the single. So thank you Signstek for sending me these lovely hammocks to try out. If you've got any questions about these, please drop them in the comments, and I'll drop the details for these in the description and in the pinned comment if you're interested in checking them out for yourself. They're not massively expensive. I think they're about £20, something along those lines. So yeah, not bad at all. Really like these, thank you very much. You take care of yourself. I think that's it. Cheerio.